start the first class in the name of voice change. First of all, you know, today's class is about the grammar portion, includes first one, voice change. Now let's start. Present indefinite, first class. Present indefinite. Active voice. Example: they draw a pig. They draw a pig. In picture, it is object, it is object, it is subject, it is V1. So it is the example of present indefinite active voice. Now you should transform it into a passive one. First, object should place, first of all, object may place in the first position in the name of a pig, means a picture. After on subject, you should likely to put am here, means present form be verb. So a pig is the singular noun, so you should write is. A pig is. It is the first one, then you should write third form of it. Draw, you draw. Draw. Then you should put a preposition in the name of by, then transform into object, that is called them. So rule: subject plus am, is, are plus V3 plus by plus object. It is the rules of the present indefinite tenses voice, from active to passive.